Good morning, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Here is a slightly different cartoon than normal. It starts off with a flying sapphire, and the reason why I put a flying sapphire and a rare jewel, and right at the end night and day, night and day, night and day at the same time, is because on a recent flight back from Vancouver and British Columbia in Canada, I met a young lady called Sapphire, and we had a great time flying back, and we laughed our heads off so many times. First because we couldn't see the Rockies outside of the plane because of the clouds, and then we finally went over Iceland and Greenland, and I think we were going over Iceland, we were looking for a volcano and found that we were halfway between daytime and halfway between nighttime. If you looked ahead it was dark, and if you looked behind you could see the sun on the horizon, and we kept seemingly jumping in of yesterday and back into tomorrow, and into yesterday and back into tomorrow, and it was hysterical. And then as we came into land, through the exhaustion of our journey and following the sun across the sky, Sapphire looked out the window and was convinced the wings were changing shape, which they were, and then I looked out the window and was convinced that the wings were now changing colour, which they also were. One, because the plane was coming into land, and the finials got bigger, and the ice on the plane's wings started to melt, as other passengers had to tell us, because we were just hysterical with laughter and worried, I think. But I hope you're enjoying your trip in England, Sapphire, and that London is as exciting as you hoped it would be.